I want to break free. I want to break free. I want to break free from my life out here and move to Canada forever. I've got to break free. God knows I want to break free.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News. I am Joey Stephen, a certified Canadian immigration practitioner, and I bring to you this provincial news bulletin from the province of Alberta. This recording originates from the Polinsys Studios here in Cambridge, Ontario.
Helping Ukrainian evacuees become truck drivers. This press release by Alberta on 15th of August 2024. Addressing the truck driver shortage in Alberta is crucial as a lack of drivers affects everything from retail goods to industrial supplies. The shortage not only hinders business operations and growth but also inflates costs for customers and industries alike. By filling these essential positions, Alberta can help lower costs for consumers, support local businesses, and ensure the smooth movement of goods across the province. Alberta currently has a shortage of about 4,000 commercial truck drivers, which has been a factor in ongoing supply chain issues over the past few years. In response, Alberta's government has amended the eligibility criteria in the Class 1 Experience and Equivalency Program to allow Ukraine evacuees who hold or have held Category CE licenses to reduce the time and cost to obtain their Alberta Class 1 driver's licenses. Allowing Ukrainian evacuees with truck driving experience to enter the commercial driving industry is a win-win. It will help alleviate the ongoing driver shortage and support evacuees from Ukraine who had so much to deal with over the past 2.5 years. Devin Dreeshen, Minister of Transportation and Economic Corridors. Transportation and Economic Corridors will also expand the Driving Back to Work grant criteria to include Ukrainian evacuees as part of the implementation of the new learning pathway in 2025-26. Alberta Transport and Economic Corridors will monitor driver competency to inform possible expansion of Class 1 driver license recognition to other foreign countries to further reduce truck driver shortages in Alberta.
Stay informed about past events in Alberta by visiting this link, myar.me/tag/AB. If you are interested in gaining comprehensive insights into Canadian Federal Experience Class or CEC or any other Canadian federal or provincial immigration programs, including federal skilled worker for foreign nationals, or if you need assistance post-selection, we cordially invite you to connect with us via myar.me/C. We highly recommend attending our complimentary Zoom resource meeting held every Thursday. We kindly request you to thoroughly review the available resources. Subsequently, if you have any questions, our team of Canadian authorized representatives is readily available to address your concerns during the weekly authorized representatives Q&A session on Fridays. You can find details of both these meetings at myar.me/Zoom. Our dedicated team is committed to providing professional assistance throughout your immigration journey. Furthermore, IRC News offers valuable insights on selecting a qualified representative to advocate on your behalf with the Canadian federal or provincial governments, accessible at ircnews.ca/consultant.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Paul insist by my side.